Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Very good. Now watch me. We will extend the right leg down. Bend the left knee to the side. Yes, outside of the ribs. We will bend the knee. And now grab your shin, ankle or foot. Pull the knee down. Right hand on top of the right hip. Yes, so full spine on the floor. We hold like this. Fully. Right hand on top of the right hip to press it down to the floor. Last 20 seconds. Tendency from the inside of the leg. Grab from the inside of the leg. No, from the inside. No, you are doing this. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same leg. You will exhale. Exhale, you will extend as much as you can. If it doesn't extend fully, but keep the other hip on the floor. Don't let this happen, okay? Press the right hand down. So we will exhale as much as you can. You extend the leg. 1, bend again, 90 degrees. Yes, exhale 2, and bend. Continue 3, and bend. 4, grab from here. If you cannot grab the foot, grab the shin, ankle. 4, 5, and hold. Kavita, grab your ankle or shin. Those who cannot grab the foot, grab less. Grab your leg, extend fully to the side, to the side, to the side. Sanam, to the side, to the side, to the side. 15 more seconds, hold it. To the side and by. Grab the leg, extend. To the side and by, to the side. Only one arm, and by only one arm. Guys, don't worry, this is the warm-up. Whatever you can extend, we will go deeper later. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to the center. Other leg. Now, right knee outside. Left leg extend. Left hand on top of the left hip. Right knee like this. Remember, you can grab your shin, your ankle, or the foot from the inside. Pull it down. Yes, we hold and then we will extend. 30-second hold. Deep breaths. Terence, we are holding with the knee bend. Knee bend. Bend 90 degrees, Terence, 90 degrees. Jyoti, opposite hand on your hip. Right hand to the right hip. Press it down, press to the floor. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can extend. Yes. Extend the leg, guys. Grab the shin. Think of extend to the side. Or the ankle, or the heel. Whatever you can grab. Whatever you can extend is good. Yes. 1. Bend. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 2. Bend. 3. Bend. 4. Bend. 5. Extend and hold. Leg extend to the side as much as possible. Hold with your hand. Hold with your hand. 30-second hold. Stillness, stillness. Keep both of the hips down. Sambar the knee. Hip on the floor and other leg extend. Keep the lower back on the floor. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Watch me. We will lean on the side. Right side. Yes? On the side. Hand under your ear. Opposite hand on the floor for balance. We are on the side. Yes? Now, right knee on the floor is bent. Left leg extend. Yes, we will point the knee up to the sky and we will bring it close to touch the shoulder. And then extend. Bend and extend. Yes, it doesn't touch the floor, okay? Stays here. Let's go slow. 1, knee to shoulder. Extend. Point the toes. 2, knee to shoulder. Extend. Point the toes. 3, knee to shoulder. Extend. 4, extend. 5, extend. 2 more. 6, extend. 7, extend. Same leg. Knee to shoulder, extend and down. Okay? Knee to shoulder, extend and down. Let's go. 1, extend and down as much as you can. 2, extend and down. 3, extend and down. 4, extend and down. 5, extend and down. And 6, extend and down. Last one. 7 to the shoulder. Extend and down. Very good. Last one on this side. Watch me. Without touching the toes on the floor, we will kick to the side. With momentum. Yes? 1. The hand keeps you there. Yes? 2. Excellent kick. 3. 4. With momentum. Yes. 5. 6. Good job. Point the toes. 7. Continue until 10. 8. 9. 10. Good job. Slowly. Second side. We lean on the left side. Left hand under the ear. Bend the left knee to the floor. Extend the right leg to the side. Point the toes. Right hand on the floor. Yes? And then we go. Knee pointing up to the shoulder. Extend. Yes, we're on 1. Extend. Knee up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. 2 more. Up. 6. Up. 7. Good. Now, like we did before. Up. Extend. Leg straight down. Up to the shoulder. Extend. And 1. Up to the shoulder. Extend, point the toes. 2. Up to the shoulder. Extend. 3. And up. Extend. 4. Up. Extend. 5. Up. Extend. 6. Up. Extend. 7. Finisher. 10 kicks. 1. Like this. Don't lift it like this. Without lifting. 1. Down. 2. Down. Momentum. 3. Down. 4. Down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Good job. Point the toes. 8. 9. 10. Very good. Release. Now we will go to tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Yes. We will do knee circles like this. 5. Big circle with the knee. Yes, the knee leads the way. The circle comes from the hip joint. Yes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press hands down. 5. Opposite direction. Knee moves forward in circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite left side. Press hands down and we go. 1, 2, big circles. 3, feel it in the hip joint. 4, core engage. 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now, kneeling position. Kneeling position. We will extend the leg to the side. Point the toes. Hands in prayer. Exhale down. Center. We extend. If the knee is painful, it's paining when we are here. Yes, you can fold the mat a little bit or place a knee pad cushion. Yes, but the hip remains on top. Yes, tuck the back toes under for more stability. Hands here. Exhale. Press with the foot to lift. Yes, let's go. 1 and up. 2 and up. We go down and forward. 3 and up. 4 and up. 5 and hold. Hold here or arms up. Press with the foot. Hold. 30-second hold. Hold it, hold it. Very good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Pay attention. Same leg that is here. Yes. You will bring the toes forward. Toes facing forward. Yes. Press the foot fully. Yes. Now, forearms down. If you can, slide, slide, slide. Almost all the way down. Toes forward. We hold here. Yes. Oops. Sorry. 30-second hold. Toes facing forward. Don't sit back. Don't sit back. Keep the pelvis in between the foot and the knee. Good. Everyone looking forward? Yeah. Literally, all of you were looking down. I said, look forward. Everyone forward. Amazing. No business looking down, yeah? Eyes forward, open the chest. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Slowly come back to your hands. And then bring the leg inside. Second side. Right knee under the right hip. Left leg extend to the side. In line with the left hip. Toes pointing to the front of the mat. Hands in prayer or arms up. Yes. Oh, sorry. First we go. This one, hands in prayer. Yeah. We exhale down and to the front. 1 exhale. 2, press the front foot to the floor, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down, and hold here or arms up. Yes, 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 yes. Press the front foot. More bending. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Unbind. More bending, more bending. Very good. Last 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the arms up. Extend the leg. Toes forward. Hands in front of you. Slide, slide, slide as much as you can. If you can, forearms down. Chest open. Open the pelvis. Look forward. Very good. 30-second hold. Amazing. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're on the forearms, go into your hands. Slide the leg inside. Good. Now, we will go belly on the floor, forearms under the shoulders, like this. Like the Sphinx pose, yes? We press and we will bring the right knee in line with the hip. Flex the foot. Other leg fully active. We will do internal rotation of the hip. The movement comes from the hip joint. Internal rotation. The forearms keep opening, yes? 1. It's internal rotation. Other leg, guys, fully engaged. Press the forearms. Do not collapse here. Open. Yes? We go. 1. Down. 2. Down. Flex the foot and body like this. Flex. 3. Yes. Down. 4. Down. Control. 5. Jyoti start. Down. 6. Good, Kripa. Down. 7. Anaira, this is too easy for you. Down. 8. Anaira is going all the way. Down. 9. Down. 10. Hold it up. 90 degrees. Only 90 degrees. Up. Up, 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 up. Hold it. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Pay attention. You will release the right hand. Catch the foot from the inside. Try to pull. Yes, you will push down a little bit. Yes. A little bit, guys. Don't force it, just a little bit. Keep pressing with the pelvis to the floor. And we hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Go back and we go opposite side. Right leg extend. Left knee in line with the hip on the left side. Press the forearms. Internal rotation, flex the foot. And down. Right leg straight. 2. And down. 3. And down. 4. 7, and up. 8, and down. 9, and down. 10. Hold it up, flex, 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 flex. Press the pelvis to the floor, hold it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep the 90 degrees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the left hand. Catch the foot from the inside. Then pull it low. Pull it low. Relax your hip. Relax the left hip. Do not contract the muscles fully, and you will see more rotation. Hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release and belly. Now, you will go up standing position. Open the legs like this. Toes facing away. Yes? Hands in front of the chest. Press the feet, legs engage, muscles engage. 1. Extend. Exhale with move. We go down and extend. Yes? Boom, 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 boom. Watch my pelvis. I'm not doing this. Pelvis in. Knees away. Knees towards this direction. Pelvis down. This is the level. As low as I can. And up. Yes? Not like this and back. We don't do this to the chest. We go down. Yes? Let's go. 1. Exhale. Press feet, extend. Exhale 2. And up. Exhale 3. Press the feet to the floor. And up. Power on the legs. 4. And up. 5. And up. 6. And up. 7. And up. 8. And up. 9. 10 and hold. Hold, full power. Hold, we hold together. Come on. I put the timer. 30 seconds, everyone. Come on. Press the feet, lift the chest and by lift the chest. No chest forward, chest up. Come on, come on, come on. Press, 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 guys. This is difficult. Imagine talking through it. Come on. Let's do this together. Last 10, 9, 8, feel like shivering. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the feet. Oh my God. Everyone, wakey, wakey to the leg, wakey, wakey. Very good. If you're feeling the shivering, you're doing good. Yes? Amazing. Now watch me. We will take 2 blocks like this. Yes? 2 blocks against the wall, or if the mat doesn't slide, you can put on top of the mat. Yes? Now, 1 foot. Oopsie. Sorry. 1 foot on top, other open. Yes? We will go again. Low. 1. 5 reps only. Low. 2. Okay? Low. 3. Let's go. And 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Low and hold. 30-second hold. 30-second hold. We suffer together here. Come on. Chest up. And by try. Yes. Everyone together. Press the feet down. Feel the legs. Maybe shivering. We stay strong. Come on, come on, come on. 10, 9, 8, come on, big pass. 7, 6, 5, 4, don't give up. 3, 2, 1, press it down. Inhale. Wakey, wakey to the legs. Other side. Boom, boom. Blocks on the second side. Press the foot. Open. Knees away. Oops. Knees away from you. Chest up. Yes. Inhale. Exhale down. 1. Press up. Exhale. Low, low, low. 2. Exhale. 3. Up. Exhale. 4. Up. Exhale. 5. 30 seconds. We hold. Low, 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 low. Press. Come on, come on. Press it down. Together. Last 15 seconds. Resist, resist, resist. Press it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it down. Inhale, extend. Release. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Very good. Now, guys, we will remove the blocks to one side. Go into frog position. Frog position. Yes. From tabletop. Open the knees. Knees in line with the pelvis. We bring the pelvis low. Open. 90 degrees like this. Forearms down. Open the chest. Go as low as you can. And we will do cat and cow. Cat and cow. Yes. Cow when I open the pelvis like this. Cat when I bring the pelvis in. Okay? Everyone ready? Let's go. Open. Inhale. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Open the pelvis. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, 3. Exhale, cat. Inhale, 4. Exhale, cat. Inhale, 5. Exhale, cat. Next, inhale. We open the pelvis like in cow and we hold. Hold, hold, hold. Hold it, hold it, hold it. 30 seconds hold, 30 seconds hold. Very good. Kripa, bring the pelvis more forward. Forward with the pelvis. You're sitting back. Forward, forward. Yes. More, more. Up, 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 up. A little bit more. Arms more forward, Kripa. Yes. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Toes to touch at the back. Toes to touch from here. Toes to touch. Sit back. Knees together. We take 15-second rest here or child's pose, and then we will hold 1 minute. Same position, 1 minute. So take your rest. Ready? Second round. Same frog position. We hold 1 minute. Same position, 1 minute. So what we need? Deep breath through the nose. Inhale, exhale through your nose, okay? Don't hold the breath. Yes? All the kids in the room, don't hold your breath. Breathe. Yes? Same position, Anaida. Same position. Let's go. 1 minute. Open the pelvis like in cow. Yes, Meghna? Brinda, yes. Sambardini, yes, 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 yes. Yes, Kripa, much better. Stay, stay, stay. And by same position, same position. Frog, yes. Naira, very good. Jyoti, very good. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, we are halfway. 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Resist, resist, resist. Come on, Kripa, last 15 seconds. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Toes together, sit back, take a rest, child's pose. And then we continue. 15 seconds only. Small rest. Small rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We continue. Watch me. We will take the blocks. We will go again into frog position. This time we hold 1 minute with the blocks under the knees. Yes. So we take 1 knee on top. All the blocks away, we place. Yes, the pelvis has to be in the center. Forearms down. We want to think we have a weight here pulling you down. Yes. We don't want to lift. We want to open the pelvis, go low, 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 low. Yes. If the blocks slide with the time, maybe you go a bit more away. Yes. Feet flex. So they will be in the air. Okay? Press, press, press. It's gonna be intense. We need all the power of the breath. Yes, cow is tough, Anaira, I know. Cow is tough. We have to feel the stillness and work with the breath. Anaira, breath. Don't hold the breath, okay? Everyone, ready, ready. Kripa, ready? Everyone, time is on. Come on, come on. Yes, Anaira, forearms down. Good. Deep breaths. Keep breathing, guys. Breathe through your nose. Flex your feet. Flex the feet. Flex the feet. Last 30 seconds. Come on, come on. We are halfway. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming out. Take child's pose. Balasana. Child's pose. Relax. Take a moment. Now watch me. We will take 2 blocks. Yes. To the wall. Like this. Oh, you can't see. Like this. Yeah. We will bring the foot like this, you see? My knees on the floor like in the frog position. And I will bring the leg straight to the side. Pelvis low. Yes? The foot is touching the wall. I show you from this side. The blocks on the straight leg, yes? This leg, you see the knee is like in the front position. All the leg is straight. Yes? The foot is pressing to the wall. The knee is opening, pelvis is going low. We hold 1 minute. Each leg, 1 minute each leg. Yes? Guys, this is getting intense. Last 15 minutes is getting intense, yeah? Your best power now is your breath. Everyone prepare. The leg that is on the block, guys, like this, toes facing forward, not this. Internal rotation. Yes? Internal rotation. The toes are like this, forward, not this. Forward to the front of you, in front of you, yeah? Time is on, guys. Everyone in the pose. Deep breaths. Anaida, forearms down. Huh. Very good. Now focus on your breathing. Nothing else to do. Focus on the breathing. No movement. Stillness. Like a statue. Good job. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly go to your hands, release, and directly opposite side. Opposite leg, change the blocks. Time is on in 5. Come on, everyone, ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is on. 1 minute. Very good. Thirty seconds left. Halfway. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming out. Take a small rest. Balasana, child's pose. Take a small rest. Knees together. Sit back to the heels. Forehead on the floor. Arms back. Take a small rest and then we continue. Last 10 minutes, guys. Last 10 minutes. Now watch me, guys. We will go to the wall. We will hold 3 minutes. Yes, look. Sit to the wall. Lay down. Open the legs like this to the side. Yep, sorry. Don't have enough space. Open as much as you can. Now, you don't go into your maximum. Okay? If I can open this much, I don't go this much. I go maybe 80%. And then in these 3 minutes, you will go to your maximum with the breath. The gravity will pull the rest down. Yes? If someone has ankle weights and wants to use it, you can use it. But it's going to be intense any which ways. Yes? Your choice. How intense you want to go. Everyone ready? 3 minutes, guys. I will let you know when we are halfway. Yes? If it feels like a lot, take a moment. You take the legs from the inside a little bit and then you continue. Yes? Let's start timer now. 3 minutes. Legs fully engaged. Glutes on the floor, Anaira. Yes. Extend the knees, Anaira. Extend the knees. And by extend the knees, press the heels to your wall. Kavita is just chilling. Kavita, is this too easy? Is this too easy for you? Kavita ji, is easy for you? You want more? You want more? Are you touching the floor? No? Okay, almost touching. Okay. Guys, continue. Stay. The job here is to stay still, focus on the breathing. If you start moving, you will get nervous. We are now halfway. We have 1 minute and a half more. You're doing a very good job, huh? Stay. Kripa, stay. If you get tired, you can support the knees from the outside a little bit. Yes, a little bit with your hands. You can support and then release. Deep breathing. Very good, Kripa. Anaira, very good. And by try to extend the knees. Kavita, wow, you're almost touching, I think. Amazing, Jyoti, yes. Meghna, yes. Sambardini, one leg is more down than the other. Try to. Now. Very good. Sanam, yes. Come on, guys. Last 40 seconds. 40 seconds only. Last push. Deep breaths. 20 seconds. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the help of your hands, you will bring the legs together and then bring the knees to the chest. Hug the knees to your chest. Go to one side and child's pose. Take child's pose. Very good. Now, guys, watch me. We will sit Open one leg, open second leg. Yes? Almost fully. Almost fully. Yes, toes up. Okay? Press the feet down, toes up. We will want to come here and then we can take the block in front of you. Yes, you will lean. One. Try to lift the glutes. Yes, if you can, more forward. Try to touch the toes. If you can, more forward. Try to come fully. Then hands on the block. Yes, first you try to lean a little bit. Lift the glutes. If this is comfortable, more forward. Lean, touch the toes on the floor and go. So we are doing what? Internal rotation of the hip. Flim and down. Yes, if this is comfortable, you go more forward, more weight, and down. Yes? For this exercise, we need the leg very engaged. Okay? We do internal rotation. Internal rotation. Not this, this. Yes? We try 10 reps. Slowly. Yes, Kavita. Very good. Let's try. Everyone show me side angle. Side angle. Side angle so I can see. Anaira, the block flat. Flat. Very good. Try 10 reps. Yes. Option 1, try to lift the glutes. Option 2. Kavita, you don't need the block, huh? You don't need. Yes. 10 reps and by try. Don't give up. Hands on top of the block and by. Hands on top of the block. Yes. Like this. Lean forward. Press with the legs. Try to bring the toes down. And up. Yes. Try. Here. If this is difficult and by, you will try with the chair. Yes. You will try with the chair. Yes. You will lean and here. Only this. Lean and here. I only want you to think of cow pelvis lift before you can lift. Yes? Those who cannot lift, those who can lift, you try to lift. This is for Ambai. So he opened the pelvis. Don't try to lift. We try to open the pelvis. Lean on the chair. Maybe the chair is too high for you. Huh. Ambai, wait. Let's try like this for you. Yes. Focus on this. One block under your bum. Open. Don't open fully. For you open a little bit. Here. And try to open the pelvis. This movement first. Cat and cow. Yes? This has to come easy for you. Okay? The rest, halfway down, 10 reps. 10 reps are done. Yes, Brinda, more internal rotation. Toes in. Yes. Lean more forward. Come on, try to lift the glutes. Shift the weight to the toes. Shift the weight to the toes. Almost, huh? You have the opening. So you have to lift the pelvis. Lift the pelvis from the floor. Yes, more. Come on. Yes. Toes to the floor, toes to the floor, toes to the floor. Brinda, you have all the tools. Look. You are trying to do this without shifting the weight forward. Shift the weight, lift the glutes so you can come here and then back. Yes, you have all the opening, all the flexibility. Just the technique is missing and then you get it. Now. Yes. Yes, good job. Guys, and by you continue like this. Yes? You continue same exercise. Cat and cow. Yes? Bring the hands in front. The rest. Guys, the rest of us. We will hold. Look. We will hold. Yes. From here, I open maximum. Yes. Hands in front. I lean. Lift. Try to go in the forearms. Yes. And I bring the pelvis low. Okay. Now, these might be challenging. You will do one little adjustment. Blocks. Yes. So, you keep the block. You see? If this is the if this is the space from my knee to my hip, I will keep the blocks in front of me like this. Okay? In the mid part. And now I will come here, place the hands in. Yes. And hold. Yes. This will give me the support for the inner thigh. Yes. Slowly to come out like this. Yes. We hold 1 minute. If you cannot hold 1 minute, as much as you can, okay? Deep breath. This is coming intense. It's the last exercise for today. Let's go. Everyone trying. And by press the heels down. Yes. Legs extend. Legs extend. Now cat and cow. Cat and cow with the pelvis. Or you can try easier. And by easier, bend the knees like this. Cat and cow. See if this comes easy for you. Yes. Focus on your pelvis. The rest we are holding. Time is on. You have 30 more seconds. Come on, Meghna. Try. Yes. Bring the blocks under the thighs. Come on. Everyone trying. Yes. Kavita, yes. Kripa, yes. Brinda, come on. Lean more. Lift. Yes. Jyoti, toes to the floor. And the time is up, guys. Slowly. Lean back. You guys want one more round or we are done? One more round? Second round or we are done? One more. Kripa is bye-bye. Anyone? Those who are done, child's pose. Those who want one more minute, last final push. All your best energy. You give it all. Kripa, if you change your mind, you give all your best energy. Yes? Same exercise, guys. Same exercise. Those who are trying to lean into the blocks and it's not happening, remember the blocks in front of you. Yes, you have to lean forward. So first the hands on the blocks. First the hands on the blocks and I bring the legs. Then I can bring fully the arms down. I have to press the hands to the blocks first to come on top. Yes? And then back, press and come down. Okay? Brinda, try like this. Meghna, try like this. Kavita, for you, one block under one foot, one block under one foot. Let's go. And bye. Try to bend the knees. Yes. And try to bring the forearms down. Almost. Yes. If you are not touching, catch the block like this. Rest of us, we are in the middle split. Good job, and by stay. Come on, last 40 seconds. Kavita, toes to the floor, huh? Toes down. Yes. Amazing. Keep the elbows under. Kavita, keep the elbows under the shoulders. Lift the chest from the floor. If you can, lift the chest from the floor. Yes, Meghna. Now we are talking, Brinda. Yes. Jyoti, come on. Hands on the blocks. Up. Yes, Anaida. Kripa, yes, good job. Toes down, Jyoti, toes down if you can. Last 10, 9, 8. Yes, Kavita. 7, 6. Yes. 5, 4. Meghna, yes, beautiful. 3. Brinda, yes, come on. 2, 1. Good job. Woo! Woo! We sweat a lot today. Oh my God. Good job, huh? Super good job. All the kids who are in class. Wow. Guys, my class are very intense usually. Yeah? You resisted the whole class. Very good, huh? You need to be very proud. Yes, everyone. The adults as well, huh? Those who are coming to my other classes and I'm repeating also. Amazing, yeah? Very good, guys. Middle split as any other skill is a skill to practice consistently. Yeah, one time a week, 2 times a week is not enough if we want to be serious about it. Yeah, now we all come to many classes and we want all the skills at the same time. Pick 1, 2 skills you want to develop, dedicate extra time every day, 10 minutes extra, 15 minutes extra. Yes? The rest, guys, will come. No frustration in class. In my class, we leave the frustration outside. We leave the ego outside. Yeah? Only happiness and joy here. Yes? Let's do the prayer, guys. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the hands up. Oh my goodness. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that comes with it. Take this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om, 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your body through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. Draw a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much. Beautiful class, guys. Madhav is back tomorrow. Thank you, Anaida. I'll see you tomorrow. Those who are coming 10:30. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.